welcome dear students. My name is D.N. Sukla from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear students, today we will talk about degree of comparison. When we compare one person or one thing with another, then we need degree of comparison. There are three types of degree of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. In this video, we will talk about these three kinds of degrees of comparison. Dear student, as you know that adjectives are used to describe a noun or pronoun. However, degrees of comparison are used when we compare one person or one thing with another. So, the degree of comparison is used to compare one person or one thing with another person or another thing. Some examples are given here. Girish is a strong man. Here Girish has no comparison with any other person. So the strong word is in positive degree. And next sentence example that is written here. Karan is stronger than Girish. Here Karan and Girish, there are two persons and they both have comparison between them. So the word, the adjective is stronger is in comparative degree, and Neil is the strongest man. So here the word in strongest is in superlative degree. All the three highlighted words are adjectives. Dear student, now we will talk about the three types of degrees. In the first sentence, Girish is a strong man. That tells us about a quality which Girish possesses. And in second sentence, the adjective stronger tells us that Karan's strength when compared to that of Girish is more. So that is why it is comparative degree. It is used to compare two people or thing with each other. And in the third sentence is Neil is the strongest man. So in the third sentence, we get to know that Neil has the greatest amount of strength. So that is why it is in superlative degree. It denotes, the superlative degree denotes the highest degree of the quality and is used when more than two persons or things are compared with one another. Is it clear? When two persons are compared, then we use comparative degree, and when more than two persons are compared, so we use superlative degree. There are some rules which are given here to form comparative and superlative degree of adjectives. So you need to understand the rules properly. Most adjectives form their comparative degree by adding ER and their superlative degree by adding EST to the positive degree. So here some groups of the words are given. So if you add ER, you can form comparative, and if you add EST, then you can form superlative degree of comparison from positive degree. For example, small, comparative degree is smaller, superlative degree is smallest. Kind, kinder, kindest. Dark, darker, darkest. Quiet, quieter, quietest. So on, you can form comparative and superlative degree. If the positive degree ends in E, mean to say the last letter is E, then we need to add only R and ST to form the comparative degree and superlative degree. So the positive degree is given here, able. So last letter is E. So you have to add only R to get its comparative and ST to get its superlative. So able, abler, ablest. Dense, denser, densest. White, whiter, whitest. Safe, safer, safest. Noble, nobler, noblest. So these are the degrees of comparison. Next rule on which we are going to talk, that when the positive degree ends in Y, mean to say the last letter is Y of the positive degree, and Y is preceded by a consonant, then the Y is changed into I before adding ER and EST. So for example, happy. So dear student, you can see that last letter is Y, and before Y a consonant P is used. So we have to remove Y and we have to write I in the place of Y and then add ER and EST to get its comparative and superlative. Happy, happier, happiest. Holy, holier, holiest. Noisy, noisier, noisiest. So on, you can form comparative and superlative. And some fact is given here. If the Y has a vowel before it, it is not changed into I. Okay, if any vowel, there are 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U. If they are given any one before the last letter Y, then we have not to remove Y or not to change Y into I. So for example, gray, grayer, grayest. Now we are going to talk about the next rule. To form the comparative degree and superlative degree of adjectives having a single syllable and ending in a single consonant preceded by a short vowel, the consonant is doubled before adding ER and EST. So for example, big, bigger, biggest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Wet, wetter, wettest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. So these are the examples. And now we are going to talk about the next rule of the formation. Many adjectives of more than 3 syllables form their comparatives by adding the word more before positive and their superlative by adding the most before the positive. So when any adjective that is more than 3 syllables, then you have to add more to get its comparative degree, and then you can add most to get its superlative degree. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Enjoyable, more enjoyable, most enjoyable. Forgetful, more forgetful, most forgetful. Wonderful, more wonderful, most wonderful. So these are the words. Those are more than 3 syllables. So that is why to get its comparative we add more, and to get its superlative we add most. Dear students, some adjectives form their comparatives and superlatives in an irregular way. They do not follow any rule. Okay, so these lists are given here: good, better, best. They do not follow any rule. many, more, most, much, more, most, bad, worse, worst, late, comparative is later, and superlative is latest or last. Old, older, and superlative is oldest. And some notes are given here that you need to understand. It is very important. Much means a large quantity of, it is used with uncountables. Much word that means a large quantity of, and you can use the word much with uncountables. Many means a large number of same, and it is used with the plural of countables. There is much ink in the bottle. So the word ink is uncountable. So that is why much can be used. I will need many cartoons for those books. Cartoon word is countable and it is plural, cartoons. So that is why we can use many before it. And another important note is later, latest refer to time, whereas later and last refer to position. So I will come later. I do not have to have the latest news. The last chapter is not very well written. The former is efficient, but the latter is not. So these are the examples, you can understand them. Elder and eldest are used only for persons. These two words, elder and eldest, you can use only for persons. Mostly with references to numbers of the same family. We do not use these words with animals or things. You cannot use elder and eldest with animals or things. Older and oldest can be used with reference to both persons and things. For example, I will speak to my elder brother. So here elder is used before a person, that is brother. Ravi is the eldest son. This is the oldest church in the city. Karan is the oldest member of the group. And one important point I would like to tell you that, dear student, listen it carefully. We do not use the word then after elder. If you are writing elder in any sentence or speaking, then you cannot use then after elder. Next point is written here, that further denotes distance between 2 points, while further means additional, the difference between their spelling. Let us walk a little further. We will have no further discussion on this. Nearest denotes nearness in a space or distance, while next denotes order or position. For example, look at the sentences written below. I walked to the nearest post office. She sat next to me. So these are the examples and rules to understand them properly. And now exercise A is given to practice, and that you have to solve. Dear students, this is the problem of this exercise. So what you have to do? You have to fill in the blanks with the appropriate form of the adjective given in the bracket. So you have to check their positive, comparative and superlative. So dear student, the word difficult is more than 3 syllable words. So that is why you have to use more and most to form its comparative and superlative degree. So here we will feel superlative degree. This is the most difficult problem of this exercise. Okay? And next sentence, number 2. Which of the 3 boys is the tallest? Here you have to feel superlative degree. Tina was the oldest of the 3 girls. What is the funniest joke I have ever heard? Dear students, like this you have to solve all these examples. And now we are going to talk about some more important points. Some comparative such as inferior, superior, junior and senior that end in OR are followed by to instead of then in a sentence. We cannot add the word more before these words. So you need to remember that whenever you are going to use these comparative degrees like inferior, superior, junior or senior, then you cannot use to. Sorry, it is followed by to, not then. And you cannot use the word more. The quality of this material is inferior to the one we bought yesterday. These books are superior to those published last year. He is junior to all his colleagues. So it is clear to understand. And now the next point which we are going to discuss, that when a comparison is made between 2 people or things of equal value, we use as and then write degree, positive degree, and then as in the sentence. For example, this girl is as hard working as the other girl. So it is the equal comparison, equal value of comparison of these 2 girls. She is as bright as her mother. When 2 people or things are compared with each other, we use the word other to exclude the former. Solomon was wiser than any other king. This sentence is correct. Another sentence, Solomon was wiser than any king, that is incorrect. When one person or thing is said to surpass all other people or things of the same kind, we use the superlative degree in the following manner. The student is the most intelligent of all. This student is the most intelligent of all. The superlative degree can also be expressed by using the comparative form in this way. This student is more intelligent than all other students in the class. And some important points are given here to remember. That do you remember that double comparative and double superlative must not be used? He is more stronger than me. This word is incorrect. This sentence is incorrect. The correct sentence is he is stronger than me. He is the most luckiest person. This sentence is incorrect. You can write it. He is the luckiest person. This is correct sentence. Now exercise B is given to practice. Identify the error in these sentences and rewrite the correct sentence in your notebook. He is eldest of the 2 siblings. So you have to write definite article before superlative degree. So he is the eldest of the 2 siblings. So like this you have to solve exercise B. One more point is given here to learn you, that it is possible to change the degree of comparison of sentence without changing its meaning. So this is called transformation. When you are given to transform from positive to comparative or superlative, then you require these rules. This tree is as big as that, it is written in positive degree, so you have to change it in comparative. That tree is not bigger than this. Karuna is the best student in the school. The sentence is written in superlative and you have to change into comparative. Karuna is better than any other student in the school. Very few auto drivers are as honest as Randhir, positive degree. Randhir is one of the most honest auto drivers, superlative degree. No other fruit is as nutritious as the banana, positive. Banana is the most nutritious fruit. Here the example is related to, based on the exercise on that rule. Change the degree of comparison of each of these sentences as instructed. As you are given instruction in the bracket, you have to, Asia is the largest continent in the world, so you have to change in positive degree. No other continent in the world is as large as Asia. So like this you have to complete all these exercises. And dear students, I hope you understand about the degree of comparison properly, and now you have to solve these exercises. If you have any problem, then I will help you. Thank you very much for watching this video.